Hello everyone, my fearless ones. I have to keep this video at 15 minutes. So if I don't answer all your questions and you're interested in this particular program, please text me and I will make some time to do a one-on-one like consultation with you over the phone, or we can do maybe some screen sharing or whatever we need to do to get you started. This is total life changes. You guys know that I am a entrepreneur, that I have multiple streams of income. This is the company that I've been with since 2017. I pretty much stopped promoting it on YouTube, but I do still sell the product. I sell this product on other people's platform. I sell it on my Shopify website under fitness and wellness, along with whole host of other fitness products. But this is some of the products that I also sell there as well. I still promote my link on online, so people still purchase as retail purchasers too, or retail buyers. So I still make money off of this product. I do have people that are currently signed under me that buy product every month, and I get an affiliate percentage of that as well. Um, Today is Sunday. I have had about 5 people over the weekend contacting me. Today is March 23rd. I don't know if you guys can actually see that on my screen. And we are currently quarantined due to a massive change in energy. That's the best way I can say it. Everyone know about this virus that is going on. A lot of people have gotten laid off. A lot of people have pretty much lost their jobs. Some companies will not recover from this. Some of you guys will not get called back. I know they probably told you that you would, but you may not be called back after this is all said and done. There's just a shift in energy and things are changing. So you need to change with it. Um, I've been telling you guys about, having streams of income, other hustles for years. And I guess I cannot stress enough that you cannot rely on your one job. I don't care how great that job is. I don't care what position you hold. I don't care how many degrees you have. I don't care what type of relationship you have with your bosses. I don't care if everything seems good. Things can change in a matter of minutes and days when it comes to jobs. So if you have multiple streams of income, you don't have to worry about nothing when one dry up. Okay? Listen to me. This is what we trying to tell you guys. I think a lot of you think that we just trying to scam you and hustle you. No, I'm still selling this product. I sell it on a successful Shopify website under health and wellness. When people buy it, I come over here and I order it and I ship it to them. And not only do I make a profit from my customer because I sell it at a retail price, I make a profit from TLC for moving their product. Okay? So listen to what we people on YouTube trying to tell you about generating multiple streams of income. So if this is a company that you think that you would be interested in, what is TLC? Let's say you've never heard of it. Total Life Changes. It's a health and wellness product. That's pretty much what you will be promoting. You will become an independent business owner. You can start immediately. As soon as do the sign up, you are welcome to become an independent. You're welcome to start earning money today. They pay daily now. Okay, so let me just do the quick steps because I only have about 10 minutes before my screen share pretty much cut off. So let's get started. Okay, so you click over here and you click become a member, right? Excuse all the links. but I have other stuff going on. So you can either become, let's just say, Tasha, I don't want to be a business owner, but the products sound great, so I just want to try it. Okay, so you can come a customer. You just want to be, you want to enjoy this great detox tea and other products that they sell. That's fine. Let's just say you say, hey, I want to make some money. And if you can see right here is a new life changer, you can take advantage of TLC premium products and share them with new retail customers while earning 50% retail bonus on each product sold. Okay? Then you stroll down here. It used to be formerly known as an independent business owner. You would become a representative now, and it just reiterate what I said. And here's an example. The tea, the popular best-selling tea that everyone like is $49.95. Product value 40. 50% commission. So you will receive $20 on every time someone purchase a pack of tea. And all you got to do is just share your link. Okay, let's keep going. So hopefully it says helping others to feel it and inspiring them to make the TLC change. Okay, so you go over here and you guys, you're going to get one of these wonderful websites like you're looking at, which is my link. And you will be able to put your beautiful picture right here, like I have my picture sitting here. My before and after. And no, TLC is not to use multiple products. So if you're not in the States and you want to start a business, now's the time. If I wasn't able to help you guys some umph and some hustle in you, you can actually sell this product as well. Just click the drop down, pick your country, get started. I'm in the US, so I'm going to click the US. Okay, so here's your options. You have option to do a starter kit. This is a physical kit that they will send out to you with pamphlets that you can pass around. Okay, so since we are quarantined and no one can really get around and we don't know how long this virus is going to affect us socially, I would not pick this kit. I would do a digital kit. The digital kit, you will get a beautiful website like this one that you can just simply share the link. You will also get a $50 supply, a sample credit, which allow you to send 10 samples in the US. You will also get other material, booklets, a welcome letter, which I have gotten, and you can start promoting at this point. Once you go ahead and click add to cart, you pay your $49.95. You are now considered an independent business owner. You now have your own business. It didn't cost you a lot of money. You already have a built out website. You don't have to worry about doing all that extra. What I would do is simply share the link. Just share the link. Put it on your Instagram, put it on your Facebook, put it on your TikTok, all your social media platforms, right? I would do an about me page and I would pretty much write up about this product and let people know that you are an independent, you're selling a product. This product to sell itself. The before and afters, you can use one of my before and afters, or you can go online. It is a whole lot of total life changes before and afters, but I would be advised that you're using someone else's photos, so I would not advise that without their permission. But if you're signed under me with total life changes, you are more than welcome to use this photo or other photos, before and after photos that I do have. I am a product of the product. A product. I am. Let me say that again, so we'll be clear. I am a product of this product. I know it work. I've used it for a long time. Okay. So let's just say you scraped up that $50 because I know times are hard and people really don't have any loose change just laying around. So now you are a representative of TLC. You have your website. You're not quite qualified to make any money yet. You're not going to be qualified until you buy a product yourself. So you have to become a product of the product. And you have to buy a volume quantity of at least 40. So you don't have to buy anything in this category. You can go down here, and I'm telling you guys what I did when I first started because I really wanted to use the tea. So instead of buying it from someone else, I decided to become an independent business owner. I seen all these people, they lost 5 pounds in like 5 days because they did this detox and they was drinking this tea and I wanted to try it. So I bought this. But here's what happened. I didn't even get a chance to use all the 5 packs because people start buying them. And once you sign under me, I'm going to show you some places that you can sell this tea somewhere else and get because it has more traffic. Okay. Um, am I selling on a lot of these websites I'm going to share with you? Not anymore, but I know that this still work. I sold you guys when I say tons of this tea on some of these platforms, tons of it. And I'll tell you exactly how to price it to move it and make a profit. You're going to make a profit here and you're going to make a profit on the retail end. Again, that will all be explained once you become a representative and you get the ball rolling. So now, $100 to get started. As long as you buy something up under here, you will qualify for commissions. So when you start sharing your link with everyone on the internet, telling everybody about this great product, how it can make you healthy, how it make you feel good, and it does. These products are great, especially right here, this NutriBurst, excellent product. It's like it's like eating a salad. It's like eating 20 bowls of salads in one taking. It's like all of your vitamin. You don't need a multivitamin if you're taking NutriBurst. That's all you need. So all you need to do is purchase one of these to qualify, and you make that purchase every month. So I would order the tea and actually give one, give one, and the person will like it, and they'll lose 5 pounds, and then they'll want more. And that's going to be a regular customer of yours. And that's local. That's not including online. There's still growth for this product. There's much money to be made with this product. So there's your business right there. You actually can make a couple of $100 a month extra without even effort. Now, this is my favorite product. It's this coffee. And it's a weight loss coffee. And it is the bomb. In 28 days, that's pretty much a month worth of coffee. That's still less than Starbucks if you're a Starbucks drinker. Plus, it's healthy for you. Plus, it is healthy for you. So, I wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, I know about 5 people reached out with me over the weekend, and I have you guys scheduled to call me. So I'm going to sit down and talk to you about, ways you can earn extra money. But I'm going to put this video up now for anyone that's looking to start a business that's really, really cheap and they want to get started now and don't have to invest in buying products and Amazon and Shopify and all this. All you have to do is purchase one of these products and get the independent kit, which is it's going to cost you all but $100 to get started, to get qualified, to make money, and just start sharing it with everybody. So the video is about to cut off because I only have about a few seconds left. I will leave my affiliate link below. Again, I will do one-on-one training with you once you sign up with Total Life Changes, and I will tell you ways that you can earn extra money and promote your business, you guys. I will also leave my number. You can text me. Till next time, bye.